Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the Beacon product on my iPad here. I'm going to activate it. Beacon North America, version 1.6. Accept, and so I'm just going to show you my general area here. I can overlay sectional. And that'll come in here in a second. It's still coming up. There it comes. You can pinch to zoom. On all of these charts, they're geosynchronous. I also have activated the winds in the menu here. I'll show you in a second. So I'll shut off sectional. I've also got IFR Low. In the quick buttons here, you can adjust what you like there. There's the IFR chart. Again, it's geosynchronized, so as you're flying, the airplane moves around on the chart. As you can see, it's right here. You can activate airspace. So, for example, the LAX airspace, pretty intense over here. It does panning with 3 fingers. As you can see here, TFRs are overlaid on the map. Let's see here. What else can I show you? You can get you can overlay radar if you have an internet connection or 3G. You can overlay radar on the map. Returns. You also have terrain awareness. Now we're on the ground here, so when I turn this on, you're going to see a lot of red. But I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to go in and turn on the simulator here. Activate the demo. And there we go. And I'm going to pull up a flight plan. And we're going to go activate. We're going to go to Henderson. Alright, so notice here airspace is ahead. Remove message, remove message. I'm going to turn and we're going to climb. Going through 8,000 feet. 9,000, we'll go up to 11. $11.5. Okay, so as we're cruising sort of out of looks like Long Beach area, I'm going to try to intercept this route line here. It's heading for Las Vegas. I've got the simulator 900, almost 900 miles an hour, 1,000 miles an hour, 11.5. Now if I demonstrate the terrain awareness here, you're going to see pretty much everything is green at this point. The red here is your restricted airspaces. I can turn off airspaces. So everything is green at this point. We descend. You'll see some red terrain start to show up here. This terrain, 87, 85. If I come down to 8,000 feet, 7,900 feet, you're seeing even more terrain here. So the terrain works really well. You can also get a 3D view. I'm not sure how useful that is, but you get a 3D view showing airspace and everything else. It's actually kind of neat. So that's what you're looking at here from a terrain perspective. We're going to fly right through. Looks like current heading, we're going to fly right through the center of that. Palm Springs area and so on. Banning Pass, if you're familiar with the area out here. 3D. Alright, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea what this Beacon product can do. A lot of bang for the buck. $79 for the app, and all the data you get from Seattle Avionics. VFR and IFR is $199 a year. Of course, none of it's certified, but as a add-on to your existing avionics, pretty impressive piece of gear here. So you can load the buttons the way you like. You can select what you want across the top here: track, speed, MSL, altitude, AGL altitude, distance, a waypoint, so on. Flight planning, got all that stuff. It's got some pretty good weather. Again, you get the radar overlaid on the map if you want, but you can also grab weather. I'm going to hit Banning Airport here, and you can grab some weather if they have weather. I might have picked the wrong one, but if you pick an airport with a weather, you actually get some weather there. Let's look at Palm Springs here real quick. Weather. So you get your weather. Now it's 3G. This particular iPad's 3G. So if you have a signal up there when you're flying, you could probably pick up some real-time weather, but I've never been able to really get a signal too often unless you're flying over a big city or something like that. And whether it's legal or not to use 3G in the cockpit while you're in flight is another matter also. I'm not going to comment on that. I don't know. But if you're on the Wi-Fi before you leave, at least you get some updates here, weather, so forth. You can also pull up diagrams. One more thing I want to show you here. If you want to pull up diagrams, instrument approach plates, I can say make this the active, and you can switch back and forth between them. They're also geosynchronized, so your airplanes fly across the diagram here. Pretty powerful little unit for a couple $100. So hey, thanks for watching.